welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of crafting unique wooden jewelry. If you love the beauty of natural materials and the art of DIY, you're in for a treat. We'll explore creative ideas, techniques, and tips for making stunning wooden accessories that reflect your personal style. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started and unleash our creativity together. Inspiring idea: crafting unique wooden jewelry. Concept: nature-inspired wooden jewelry. Create a collection of wooden jewelry pieces that reflect the beauty of nature. This project focuses on using organic shapes, textures, and colors found in the natural world to craft stunning accessories. Inspiration sources: leaves and flowers. Use leaf shapes or embed dried flowers into your designs for a botanical touch. Geometric patterns. Incorporate clean lines and geometric shapes inspired by natural forms, such as crystals or shells. Reclaimed wood. Source pieces of reclaimed wood to give your jewelry a rustic, vintage aesthetic. Project ideas: leaf earrings. Cut leaf shapes from wood, sand them for smoothness, and paint them in earthy tones. Add hooks to create elegant earrings. Nature-inspired necklaces. Create pendants shaped like acorns or pine cones. Use natural stains to enhance the wood grain and hang them on a simple chain. Bracelets with embedded flowers. Craft wooden bangles and embed dried flowers into the design using resin for a beautiful, floral effect. Geometric brooches. Design abstract brooches using various wood shapes, then paint or stain them in complementary colors for a modern look. Tips for success: experiment with textures. Use different sanding techniques or wood burning to add texture and depth to your pieces. Finish thoughtfully. Consider using natural oils or eco-friendly sealants to protect your jewelry while enhancing the wood's natural beauty. Personal touch. Add initials or meaningful symbols through engraving to make your jewelry even more special. Conclusion: this nature-inspired approach to crafting unique wooden jewelry invites you to explore your creativity and connect with the beauty around you. Each piece becomes a wearable work of art, celebrating the elegance of wood and the charm of nature. Embrace the process, and let your imagination guide you. More inspiring ideas for crafting unique wooden jewelry. 1. Wood and resin combinations. Idea: create stunning pieces by combining wood with resin. Use clear or colored resin to fill in shapes or create a layered effect. Project example: design pendants where wood forms the base, and resin fills the spaces between, mimicking a river or ocean wave. 2. Nature's patterns. Idea: use natural patterns found in wood grains and leaves as inspiration for your designs. Project example: craft earrings shaped like abstract waves or spirals that mirror natural movements. Use a wood stain to highlight the grain. 3. Wooden bead necklaces. Idea: create a statement necklace using wooden beads in various sizes and shapes. Project example: paint or stain the beads in a gradient, transitioning from light to dark shades. Incorporate other materials like leather or fabric for added texture. 4. Customized keychains. Idea: make personalized keychains using small wooden shapes. Project example: cut wooden shapes of animals, initials, or symbols. Sand and finish them, then attach to a keyring for a custom accessory. 5. Layered wooden earrings. Idea: design earrings that feature multiple layers of wood for depth. Project example: cut different shapes from various wood types, layer them, and secure with a jump ring. Experiment with contrasting colors and textures. 6. Wooden hair accessories. Idea: craft unique hairpins or combs from wood. Project example: carve or shape wooden sticks into decorative hairpins, adding embellishments like beads or flowers for a feminine touch. 7. Eco-friendly jewelry. Idea: focus on sustainability by using reclaimed wood and eco-friendly finishes. Project example: create simple bracelets or necklaces using reclaimed wood, enhancing their natural beauty with minimal processing. 8. Cultural inspirations. Idea: draw from cultural motifs or traditional designs to create meaningful pieces. Project example: research patterns or symbols from various cultures and incorporate them into your cutting or engraving designs. 9. Themed collections. Idea: create a themed collection, such as forest treasures or ocean wonders. Project example: for a forest treasures theme, include pieces shaped like acorns, leaves, and trees, using earthy colors and natural textures. 10. Interactive jewelry. Idea: design pieces that allow for customization or interaction. Project example: create charm bracelets with interchangeable wooden charms that can be swapped out or personalized. Even more inspiring ideas for crafting unique wooden jewelry. 11. Textured wooden cuff bracelets. Idea: create wide cuff bracelets featuring textured wood surfaces. Project example: use techniques like wood burning, carving, or stamping to add patterns. Finish with a natural oil to enhance the texture. 12. Layered necklaces. Idea: design multi-layered necklaces using different lengths of chains and wooden pendants. Project example: combine circular and geometric wooden pendants of varying sizes, creating a harmonious and stylish look. 13. Miniature wooden sculptures. Idea: craft tiny wooden sculptures that can be worn as pendants. Project example: create small animals or abstract shapes, sand them smooth, and attach them to a chain for a whimsical touch. 14. Personalized family trees. Idea: design a family tree pendant or charm using wood. Project example: cut out a tree shape and add engraved names or initials of family members on small wooden leaves to hang beneath. 15. Nature-inspired color palettes. Idea: use paint or stain colors inspired by nature, such as ocean blues, forest greens, or sunset hues. Project example: create a color gradient effect on wooden pieces to mimic a sunset or ocean waves. 16. Seasonal collections. Idea: develop collections that reflect the changing seasons. Project example: for fall, create jewelry with shapes like pumpkins and leaves, using warm colors. For spring, focus on flowers and pastel shades. 17. Jewelry with meaning. Idea: create pieces that symbolize personal values or significant life events. Project example: design pendants with symbols, like a heart for love or a tree for growth, that hold special meaning for the wearer. 18. Functional jewelry. Idea: combine beauty with function by creating jewelry that serves a purpose. Project example: craft wooden brooches that double as a scarf holder or a pendant with a hidden compartment for tiny treasures. 19. Artistic wood-turned jewelry. Idea: experiment with wood turning to create unique shapes and forms. Project example: turn wooden pieces on a lathe to create smooth, rounded beads or pendants with intricate designs. 20. Upcycled wooden jewelry. Idea: use scrap wood or old wooden furniture to create new jewelry pieces. Project example: repurpose old drawer knobs or furniture offcuts into unique earrings or pendants, giving them a second life. 21. Wooden charms with quotes. Idea: incorporate inspirational quotes or affirmations into your designs. Project example: engrave short phrases on small wooden discs or tags to create meaningful charms for bracelets or necklaces. 22. Interactive bracelets. Idea: design bracelets with interchangeable wooden charms that can be switched out. Project example: create a base bracelet with slots for charms that represent different hobbies, interests, or memories. 23. Whimsical animal designs. Idea: craft jewelry featuring cute animal shapes. Project example: design pendants or earrings in the shape of owls, foxes, or other woodland creatures, adding a playful touch. 24. Nature-inspired color blocking. Idea: use color blocking techniques with different wood stains to create bold designs. Project example: create geometric earrings with contrasting wood colors to add a modern twist to a natural material. Conclusion: the possibilities for crafting unique wooden jewelry are truly endless. With these additional ideas, you can explore various styles, themes, and techniques to create pieces that resonate with your artistic vision. Embrace the creativity that comes with working with wood, and let each piece reflect your individuality and passion for nature. Dive into your projects, and happy crafting. As you embark on your journey of crafting unique wooden jewelry, remember that each piece you create is a reflection of your imagination and artistry. The fusion of nature and creativity not only results in beautiful accessories but also allows you to cherish the materials and stories behind them. Embrace the joy of crafting. Experiment with shapes, colors, and textures, and let your creativity flow. Whether you wear your creations or share them with others, may each piece bring joy, inspiration, and a sense of connection to the natural world. Happy crafting!